I'm going to show you how to create a realistic rain effect. Create a new layer. F7 for layer palette. You can create a new layer here. Open this background. OK. Select this new layer. You can apply foreground black. After apply for chrome black, go for filter, go for noise, then add noise. OK. 12.5 uniform. OK. Then to control the noise, I'm going to go from image, adjustment, and I'm going from threshold. I'm going to zoom Control plus zoom, and I'm going to control how much noise I want. OK. Control 0 fit on screen. Then I'm going to apply effects. I will go for filter and I will go for stylish and I will go for wind. Select the wind from the right and click OK. I need more wind. I will go for filter this time. Then I can select when the last filter you use, or you can press Ctrl F to add more. When the next one, what I'm going to do, I will press Ctrl T, transformation. And to hold it. And I'm going to increase the size well. I'm going to increase the size. A shift, and I can drag and I can drag enter and controls you. Now I will go for blending mode and I will select screen. After select screen, I will go for window. I will go for timeline. In timeline, I'm going to create a video timeline. Click video timeline. In the corner here, there's a 3 dots. Just click it. Then you are going to convert to video. Timeline. Then what you need to create a face frame. We need just to move down. Select another frame, continue to move down, select another frame, continue to move down. Another frame. Another frame. More strength. "24 frame equal to 1 second, then you should select less frame. Is going to be fast. And if you give more frame, your animation is going to be more smooth. OK, now I'm going to select the last frame and I'm going to move, press Shift, select the first frame now from here. I have a 5 second. I'm going to right click and go 0.2 second and make sure this option for this corner to be forever. If you select forever, then you can play your animation now. You can see full screen mode. You can just press F and Control 0. This is how you can create a rain effect in Photoshop. See you in the next video.